Crypto sounds confusing. It's actually shockingly simple. People throw around words like blockchain and mining like it's common sense. But most of us are just nodding like, yes, totally, no idea what that means. Here is the truth. Crypto is not just for tech bros or finance nerds. It's basically internet money, but smarter, faster, and not controlled by any bank. Let me show you how it actually works in plain English. Alright, start here. Crypto is just digital money, like rupees or dollars but online. No physical bills, no coins, just code. The big difference, there's no middleman, no bank, you control it. That's the whole point. Now the real question, how do you trust money you can't touch? That's where blockchain comes in. Think of it like a shared public notebook that records every transaction and everyone can see it, but no one can cheat it. Once something is written in, it cannot be erased. That's what makes it safe. Bitcoin was the first one. It's kind of the OG, but now there are thousands. Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin. Yes, seriously. Some are built for speed, others for apps. Some are just memes, but here's where people get stuck. They think you have to mine crypto or code or invest thousands. You don't. You can literally buy $5 worth on an app like Binance or Coinbase and just watch how it works. And if you're curious, there are crypto wallets that let you actually use your crypto, send it, spend it, or save it like regular money. So no, crypto is not magic internet money. It's just a smarter system, one that gives you more control if you understand how to use it.